Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we're going to prepare handmade chocolate truffles for Valentine's Day. This sweet treat can be given as a gift for your friends and family and also for kids to take to school to their friends. This recipe is very easy to make and only uses a few ingredients. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Jacqueline Marie and my channel is all about home decor, cleaning, lifestyle, shopping, and more. And I would love that you pause this video right now and subscribe to my channel so you will not miss additional episodes. So let's go ahead and make these delicious chocolate truffles. Okay guys, Valentine's is just around the corner, but today I was surprised this morning with these beautiful flowers from my husband. So to do this recipe, we only need a few ingredients. We need heavy cream, vanilla, dark chocolate, butter, and also we need some toppings like cocoa powder, sprinkles, and coconut flakes. I will list all the ingredients and the instructions in the description box of this video. For this recipe, I'm using 72% dark chocolate mini chips from Trader Joe's and also using 2/3 of a cup of heavy cream. I'm going to heat the heavy cream until it reaches a simmer. Make sure that it's hot enough but it's not boiling. When it's done, I'm going to turn off the heat and I'm going to transfer the hot heavy cream into the chips and I'm going to add butter and vanilla. I'm going to start stirring everything through until we have a very nice and smooth mix. After it's all mixed and dissolved, I'm going to put all the mixture into a baking dish. Now I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil and I'm going to place it in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. After 2 hours, I took it out of the refrigerator and I'm going to use a cantaloupe scooper to make all the truffles. Check that the mixture is all hard so you can make the truffles easily. For the toppings, I'm going to use cocoa powder. Also, I'm going to use coconut flakes and I'm going to use sugar and I'm going to put a little bit of red food coloring to make it look red. Now I'm going to mix the granulated sugar and a few drops of red food coloring to make the sugar look red. When all the truffles are done, I'm going to return the tray to the refrigerator and keep it there overnight. And there you have it, a simple and easy recipe for Valentine's Day. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And my friends, this is the end of the video. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Before you leave the video, please make sure to subscribe so you will not miss additional episodes. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and I will see you next time on Jacqueline Marie Living.